To make this raw vegan strawberry fruit roll-up recipe, place 2 cups of frozen strawberries in a medium-sized bowl. Place 3 soft pitted Medjool dates in a small bowl and cover with drinking water to soften. Cover the dates and the strawberries and keep them on the counter to thaw, which takes about 6 hours. Add the defrosted strawberries with the strawberry juice, the soaked dates. Toss out the water the dates were soaking in. Add 1 small banana, breaking into 6 1-inch pieces to the blender. Add 2 shakes of cinnamon. Grind 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and add to blender. Blend until creamy, starting on low and gradually increasing the speed until creamy. Pour into 2 silicone dehydrator trays. Dehydrate for 14 hours. Peel and flip. Dehydrate for another 1 to 2 hours. It's ready to tear and eat or roll up. These raw vegan strawberry fruit roll-ups taste just like traditional fruit leather. Recipe in the YouTube description below. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.